What's going on, everyone? Today's the 29th day of February 2020. Here to give you all this update on XRP paired against the USD. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button. This is your first time here. Support the channel. Go ahead and share the video. And follow us on our website at HueFinancial.com. Let's get straight into it. The market for XRP over the last 3 days in our video that we did on the 25th of February, we sidelined the market. We needed to allow the market to dictate to us what it wants to do. So since it's been 3 days of our last video in XRP, let's see what happened into the market. We didn't put in a forecast because we wanted to allow the market to play out. And as you can tell, the market on the daily time frame for XRP is still giving us some hints of weakness. Weakness is, for the most part, still in control in XRP. Now, the question that we need to ask ourselves is about the timing. Is the market in XRP ready for higher prices? Most definitely, but it all depends on what time frame you are going to utilize in order to grab that strength out the market. Okay, so what we're going to do, since today's the last day of this leap year for XRP, we're going to take a look at it on the monthly price chart. Now, looking here at XRP on the monthly price chart, already you can tell that the long-term view in XRP is not strong, not at all. We had the opportunity to see continual strength into the market for the month of February. I mean, we came all the way up there to 34 cents. But look where we're at right now today, back down to 23. So do you really think that the market in XRP is that strong? I don't think so. So if you're trying to time the market for the long term, and you can tell by this monthly price chart that there's still weakness here, this is not a buy opportunity right now for the long term in XRP. Let's take a look at XRP now on the weekly time frame. Look what happened into the market for XRP on this current weekly price bar. Do you think that this market right now is a buy in XRP for the weekly time frame? Not at all. We got rejected at 30 cents for 3 consecutive weeks to where the market in XRP could not break above it. So now we know for a surety that 30 cents is a very strong resistance area. It's going to take a lot of volume to break up above that 30 cent price. So don't be confused. So even on the weekly time frame, the market in XRP is not that strong. Daily time frame is mixed. The market can go either way. Now, it's been 3 days of the market trying to break above 24 cents, and so far of those 3 days it has been unsuccessful. So weakness is in control for the most part on the daily time frame as well. Now let's take a look at it on the hourly time frame. This is where you can actually see some changes of weakness into some of strength for XRP. The market has held 23 cents twice, right here during this time period, and then again here. And we're still showing more or less strength entering the market on the hourly time frame. So yes, you can buy and see the market strength coming to XRP on the 4-hour chart, 3-hour chart. You're still getting the same thing. So what we're going to do, this is a situation to where you have to time the market in order to get in and then to get out. If you're looking for XRP in the long term to continue to move higher, definitely based off the price chart, the market is weak from the monthly to the weekly time frame. So we're going to have to play this video of XRP moving higher on the hourly time frame, and that's it. Okay, so that's how we're going to have to play this market in XRP. So we're going to go ahead and put in a forecast in the market for XRP for it to move higher, and we're going to hold 23 cents for support ultimately. So that will be what, of a loss about 2.61%. I'm going to give us a little bit more cushion so we can hold out on the market just in case it wants to dip a little bit further. And we're going to play the market moving higher than XRP. Now, 24 cents is a very shallow area of resistance, so we would TP the market right there. So it's about 1.5% market move from where we are at right now. But I'm gonna hold it up here to our resistance area into the market for XRP. Maybe around like 24.5 cents is where we would ultimately take the TP. So this is only on the hourly time frame. We are not looking for XRP to move higher on the monthly or weekly time frame, not right now. Okay, so as we go throughout this upcoming week, yes, that situation can change for the monthly and the weekly time frame, but of a surety, the market right now for that time period is not looking good. So we're just gonna have to play this on an hourly time frame. In XRP, we got TP at 24 cents, even though it could go a little bit higher than that, maybe around like 24 and a half, 25 cents as we continue to see this market trade. So very simple to see, simple to understand, no confusion involved at all. So make sure you follow us. I'm done.